Alright, well it's time for day 3 of the Advent calendar. So, people were wondering what the picture in number 2 was. There it is right there. Alright, so number 3. That's right over here in the lower corner. Let's go ahead and crank that buddy open. And it looks like it's going to be a little car of sorts. So, again, with apologies to headphone users. Pull that out. I'm going to move the box off the side because it's just kind of cumbersome. But I have to leave it in sufficient proximity so that I can actually see what I'm doing. Right. This actually looks like it's going to be a fairly complicated build. Again, 1,000 apologies to the headphone users. There's really not much I can do about these bags. They're just ridiculously crinkly. Maybe if I was better at video editing, I'd be able to kind of squish those peaks, but I know very little about editing. I just upload my videos, render them, upload them, trim little bits off if I need, but really don't have particularly good skill set for editing. Anyway. If anyone is watching this and is interested in doing some editing work for no pay, because I'm poor and I'm not monetized yet, please feel free to let me know. Anyway, so throw the wheels onto the little gray wheel holder pad things. Then we're going to throw this 4x2 plate on top of them. And then the single stud plate go there. The steering wheel is going to go there. And then we need the two clampy bits. They're going to go here and here. And my battery's about to die, but I'm also about to finish the video, so... where does this go? Oh, this goes here. Okay. So that 3x1 plate goes there. And then this weird thing goes... But that doesn't... Oh, I see what... Okay, never mind. Alright, correction. This piece goes there. No. This piece goes there, like that. So, the little weird curvy bit clips onto the center of the 1x3 red plate, and then that piece clips onto that single stud. That makes more sense. The diagram was not particularly clear. Anyway, and then this piece with the little veiny bits, or whatever, wind vane thing, the spoiler goes right there. And I have absolutely no idea what angle it should be, but I'll just kind of pick an arbitrary angle there. And then, just for fun, I'm going to reach back over here into number 2 and put our little weird short dude without the bendy legs on to the little race car thing. Anyway, so that is day 3 of the LEGO Advent Calendar. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting based on your watch habits. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist, and right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to support the other things that I do on this channel. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.